Okay, I'm out here in the shop. I've been messing with these AN lines all day. I bought this little tool here, this little cool tool. And it is kind of a cool tool. It's a little jig that you line up your AN fittings in with these shims. You stick it in here and you shim it, and that's fine and all, but this thing has not worked for me at all. So I'm going to take the mystery out of AN fittings for anybody else that was nervous like I was when I started, because you don't need this shit. These are 6 AN lines, right? Here, I've unscrewed this one. They go together like this. This is Evil Energy nylon braided with steel and CPE rubber. So I'm using it as a fuel line. It's in a carbureted truck, so it doesn't have to be the NPTE stuff. But this should work on anything. Steel braided, anything. So I cut this here with my cutoff wheel and my DeWalt. Just a standard cutoff wheel from Harbor Freight. No big deal. I tried for hours with this son of a bitch, and I could not get these lines set. All I did, I figured it out. Take this son of a gun, get it gently started on your line. See, that's not even that great of a cut. Get it gently started on there. Doesn't even have to be any type of perfect or whatever. This is 6 AN, so I have a 19 millimeter here in my 3/8 impact. I've got it in reverse. You do not need it. You do not need high speed. Watch how fast this thing sets in. Here. This is not the line sliding in my hand, but watch. Watch how fast this fitting sets. Bang. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. It is set. It is completely in there. I'm going to try and shine a light so that everybody can see. This thing is completely seated. There you go. Completely seated. Super easy. Quick as shit. You don't have to mess around or nothing. So for anybody that's having trouble with this, I mean, don't waste your time on these specialized tools. This is a 19 millimeter for a 6 AN line. Run it in reverse. Do it slow. To get this in here, right, you don't want this hose seated 1000% against the stop. You run it in reverse to put it on, so I twist it a little bit forward just to bring it away from the dead stop. That way you can actually get this thing in here. I spit in it. Bang. Just a little bit of spit. Put it in. Threads are started. Grab 2 wrenches. 2 wrenches. 2 19 millimeters. Bang. One on. And I have not had one back out either. So, start threading her in. You can make a line in no time. It's threading no problem. It's not backing out. I mean, super dang easy. So anybody that's was worried about making lines or thought you needed specialized tools or those aluminum wrenches or any of that bullshit, here, I'm going to set this line completely, and then I'll show you the fitting when I'm done. It's not scarred up. And I'm using just my chrome wrenches, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to hold it, but so let me get it set on there, and then I'll show you. So even if you're not holding it great, And I'm doing this with regular old wrenches, so. There you go. Completely set. I'll spin it around. You can see she's not marred up by the wrenches. That's just the roll pin there to keep the deals from spinning. Great. Hope it helps somebody.